3 seconds per question. Let's begin. This giant fish is the largest animal on Earth. Which sea creature has 8 arms? What do we call a baby fish? This intelligent marine mammal communicates with clicks and whistles. What creature is known as the king of the ocean? Which ocean animal has a hard shell and swims slowly? What fish can inflate its body to avoid predators? This orange and white fish became famous from Finding Nemo. Which animal has tentacles and delivers painful stings? What creature has a star-shaped body and can regrow arms? Which shark is known for its hammer-shaped head? What type of whale has a long spiral tusk? This marine mammal can hold its breath for over 90 minutes. Which fish is known for its glowing lure to attract prey? What small crustacean forms the base of many ocean food chains? Which animal uses a shell as a mobile home? What ocean creature has the largest brain of any invertebrate? This predator is known for breaching while hunting seals. What creature's shell was once used as currency? Which fish changes gender during its life? This massive predator is called the killer whale. Which deep-sea fish has a transparent head? What color is a lobster's blood? Which fish uses electricity to hunt and demand? This slow-moving creature drifts and eats plankton. Which ocean layer receives the least sunlight? This fish has both eyes on one side of its body. What ocean animal has no bones? Which marine mammal barks and claps its flippers? What creature can instantly camouflage? This colorful underwater animal is a colony of tiny polyps. Which sea reptile can hold its breath up to 7 hours? What is the fastest fish in the ocean? Which ocean is the warmest? This tiny glowing organism lights up the ocean at night. What predator opens clams by pounding with rocks? Which sea creature is nicknamed sea cow? What is the largest species of sea turtle? Which fish can glide above the water's surface? What is the largest coral reef system on Earth? Which animal has a beak and can squirt ink? What sea creature sleeps with one eye open? What fish produces light to communicate? What whale sings long, complex songs? Which crustacean can break glass with one strike? What sea creature has copper-based blue blood? This predator has around 300 teeth in several rows. What is the deadliest jellyfish in the world? Which mammal dives deeper than any other? What ocean animal produces pearls? Which deep-sea fish has a mouth larger than its body? What is the largest species of squid ever recorded? Which marine reptile can stay underwater for hours by slowing its heartbeat? What type of whale was hunted nearly to extinction for its oil? What fish can climb waterfalls using its mouth and fins? Which ocean creature has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom? What is the fastest marine mammal? Which deep-sea zone has no sunlight at all? What sea creature has the most powerful venom known? Which fish is famous for its walking fins? What animal has the longest migration path in the ocean? Which ocean predator uses electroreception to locate prey? What is the deepest known point in the ocean? Which fish is also known as the vampire of the deep? What sea creature can regrow its entire body from one arm? What ocean mammal has tusks and lives in the Arctic? Which fish looks like a rock and is highly venomous? What deep-sea creature uses bioluminescence to disguise itself? What marine animal produces ambergris used in perfumes? Which sea creature has the largest tooth ever recorded? What type of shark can survive in both fresh and salt water? Which jellyfish species is biologically immortal? What is the main food source for baleen whales? Which ocean animal has the longest lifespan? What sea creature can detach its arm to distract predators? Which crustacean carries eggs under its tail? What is the only known truly warm-blooded fish? Which deep-sea creature has transparent skin and visible organs? What whale is known for its unicorn-like tusk? What ocean predator can stun prey with 600 volts of electricity? What sea creature creates the loudest sound in the ocean? What sea slug is called the blue dragon? What ocean creature has the highest blood pressure? What is the main predator of the giant squid? Which sea animal can shoot water to catch insects? Which marine creature has the most complex eyes ever studied? What whale is nicknamed the Canary of the Sea? Which reef fish can change sex multiple times? What animal uses a bubble net to trap fish? Which animal has blue-green glowing blood? What sea creature can detach its penis and regrow it later? Which jellyfish species can revert to its juvenile form after adulthood? What deep-sea creature survives by eating whale carcasses? Which fish uses sonar clicks to navigate in darkness? What is the only animal that can survive both boiling and freezing? Which marine creature's heart stops beating when it dives deep? What ocean animal uses mucus to make a bubble net to sleep in? Which shark species glows in the dark? What sea creature's eyes act like mirrors made of crystal cells? Which ocean organism creates most of Earth's oxygen? Write your score in the comments.